I don't know how those other clips went. I won't know. I haven't reviewed them. Maybe I could do that. Nah, let's film. Anyhow, we just got to the boat, unpacked the bags. Little green building right there is called Fisherman's Village. And that's a whole shopping complex. All those colored buildings, white buildings, are condos. Condos, condos, condos. Out in the harbor. We should be down there. But we're up here instead. But we're gonna move the boat. So that's the cockpit. I don't know. I would say wide, probably 5 feet, 5.5. Yeah, probably about 6 foot long. I know it's longer than I am, so I'd say 6 foot long. And it's about 2.5 feet deep, 2 foot deep maybe, 24 inches. Yeah, you step down in. Ignore the mess, like I said, we're just getting here. I haven't been here in a long time. Counter, stove, storage underneath. A single bed, if need to be. Closet, sort of. More of the closet. Walk back here, you got a sink, you got a toilet. Some more storage. Add storage under there. And this is the B berth where I sleep. All the bedding has to be washed and everything. Go back in tomorrow. That's my hatch out. It's not bad. It's a comfortable boat for 2 people. There's more storage or another bed. You probably fit 10 people in here if you really wanted to. But boy, would it be tight. Yeah, we'll go outside. Be blinded by the light. This is about 28-foot O'Day. I don't know why that's jiggy. Thought maybe it was loose. Solar panels, 2 of them, 1,000 watts for 500 apiece. So they run 2 batteries down there. I need to get more batteries over time. Everything's a progress. Break out another 1,000. That's water, waste tank, siphon. Underneath the front sail, laying on the floor, is water and gases back there in the corner. Just a little 2-cylinder diesel. So plan is to make sure our steering's good, which it probably isn't. This is a sit-on kayak. I don't like it. I mean, probably great for hauling stuff in and out. I'd sell it in a heartbeat. Yeah. Chair I picked up, it's starting to deteriorate. Well, maybe not this time thing. It was bad on it before. I think it's a good chair. But anyhow, that's a boat. A couple hatches here or there. I'll show you in a second. Got a hatch here. That's always to wipe the seat off in the morning. Got a hatch here, oils, extra stuff. And then over here, move that box, move that rope, gotta move that door. I thought I threw that away, I guess I was wrong. Down there is how we get to our steering. And gas tank is way over there. That's our steering, if you can see. I don't know. It's probably upside down. That's where I gotta get down into. That's about the